What if the map you're searching for is not out there? It's inside you. Nature doesn't chase answers. It listens, and somehow it always finds the way. Across the oceans, far from any landmark, birds fly for thousands of miles. No maps, no signposts, just a compass we cannot see. Beneath the waves, whales migrate by listening to the hum of the earth. Low songs carried by water across the planet. An invisible current of sound guiding them home. Maybe the path isn't something we build. Maybe it's something we remember when we grow quiet enough to hear it. Even the monarch butterfly, light as a petal, travels across entire continents, born never knowing the way, yet finding it anyway. They don't wait for certainty. They don't stall at every fork in the wind. They move because deep inside, something says, this way. How often we wait for perfect signs, forgetting that sometimes one small step in trust is enough to reveal the whole horizon. Science tells us they sense magnetic fields, they read the stars, they follow secret songs in the earth and sky. But maybe it's even simpler than that. Maybe they trust the forces they were born to feel. And what about us? In our glowing cities, our endless noise, our tangle of shoulds and doubts, we lost the habit of trusting. But that compass, it never left us. It only got buried under deadlines, expectations, fears. In the quiet moments, it still stirs. A whisper, a pull, a gentle knowing that says, trust this step. We don't have to know the end of the road. We just have to begin. Nature moves one step at a time, and that has always been enough. We are not so different from the bird or the whale. We don't need to see the entire road, only the next stretch, only the next soft pull in our chest. Your journey might feel uncertain, your path invisible, but inside you, the sacred compass still turns, still points, still knows the way. So listen, move, trust the migration within you. After all, the sacred compass inside you has always known the way.